Day 72, chapter 13, part 3 is the same chapter, section formula and midpoint formula. Question number 13a. Coordinates of A and B are minus 5a and 1a plus 4. The midpoint of AB is minus 2, 1. Find the value of A. A's coordinates are minus 5a and B's coordinates are 1, comma, a plus 4. And it says the midpoint of AB is minus 2, 1. Midpoint here I named as C. Midpoint is minus 2, 1. And you have to find the value of A. A is here, A is also here. If you look at these 2 points where you have to find the value of A is the y coordinate here. Here also A is the y coordinate. And this is the midpoint, so we have to use the midpoint formula. But use only one part of the midpoint formula because you are going to find only the y coordinates. Use only the y portion of the midpoint formula. So the y portion of the midpoint formula is y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Only the y portion. So let's mark these first. So this is x1, y1, and this one is x2, and this is y2. And the point in between is x and y. Now substitute value. Y value is here. That's 1 is equal to y1 is a plus y2's value is a plus 4. This is y2, a plus 4 divided by 2. Multiply the 2 this side. That gives you 2 is equal to a plus a is 2a plus 4. 2a is equal to the 4 comes this side. 2 minus 4 gives you minus 2. So bring the 2 this side. A is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. That's minus 1. So that's the first question. The next one is question number 30. The midpoint of the line segment AB shown in the adjoining diagram is 4, minus 3. Write down the coordinates of A and B. It says the midpoint of the line segment AB. This is your x-axis, y-axis. This is line segment AB. That much is line segment AB. So for line segment AB, the midpoint is 4 minus 3. AB is here. This is the midpoint. Midpoint is 4 and minus 3. 4 and minus 3. Write down the coordinates of A and B. So you have to find how much is A and B. Coordinates of A and B have to be found. Now, look at the figure again. A lies on the x-axis. This we have done before. A lies on the x-axis, therefore its y coordinate must be 0. So for this, y coordinate must be 0. X coordinate we don't know. B lies on the y-axis, therefore its x coordinate must be 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate you don't know. Okay. So that's what is written here. Since A lies on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. That is, A's coordinates are x, 0. Same thing. And B lies on the y-axis. Therefore, its x coordinate is 0. That is, B's coordinates are 0, y. And this is the line segment. So you know A, you know B. Okay. So you need to substitute. Okay. So let's take this. This is the first point. So x1. This is x1, y1. And this is the other extreme point is x2, y2, and the midpoint is x and y. And substitute. Because this is the midpoint, this one is the midpoint, we are using midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. X value is here, that's 4, is equal to x1 is 0 plus x2 is x divided by 2. Y value is minus 3. Oh. Y value is minus 3 is equal to y1 is y itself, y1 is y itself, and y2 is 0 divided by 2. So this gives you 8, 4 2s are 8, 0 plus x is x, and this should give you minus 6. 3 into minus 2, sorry, minus 3 into 2, that gives you minus 6 is equal to y plus 0, that's y. The question was, write down the coordinates of A and B. You have tried the coordinates of A and B. So A's coordinates are x 0, that's what we took, that's 8 0, and B's coordinates are 0 y. Y value is minus 6. So 0 minus 6. Okay. Next. Question number 8. The midpoint of the line joining A, whose coordinates are 2p, and B's coordinates are q4, is 3 5. Calculate the numerical values of P and Q. You have to find how much is P and how much is Q. Okay. The midpoint of the line joining A and B. There is a line joining A and B. A's coordinates are 2P and B's coordinates are Q and 4. And its midpoint is 3 5. Calculate the numerical values of P and Q. This is the midpoint. So we are going to use midpoint formula. Before that, just mark these points. So this one is x1, y1, this one is x2, y2, and this is x and y. And substitute in the formula. The formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. X value is 3, x1 is 2 plus x2 is q divided by 2. Similarly, y value is 5 is equal to y1 is p plus y2 is 4 divided by 2. Multiply this here, that gives you 6 is equal to 2 plus q, and multiply this here, that's 10 is equal to p plus 4. Bring the 2 this side, 6 minus 2 gives you 4 is equal to q, and p is equal to 4 comes this side, 10 minus 4, that gives you 6. This is question number 43. AB is a diameter of a circle with center C, whose coordinates are minus 2, 5. If A's coordinates are 3 and minus 7, find the coordinates of B. It says AB is the diameter of a circle. I've drawn a circle here. AB is the diameter of the circle. One end is A, other end is B. Is the diameter of the circle with center C. The center is C. See, this is the diameter. The center C is actually the midpoint of AB. C's coordinates are minus 2, 5. And A's coordinates are 3 and minus 7. It says find the coordinates of B. You have to find this. So take only the line segment AB. You know A, you don't know B. So let's take B is x2, y2. Because this will be x1, y1. And this is the midpoint, so that is x and y value. So, using midpoint formula, you know the midpoint, so midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. X value is minus 2, x1 is 3, plus x2 is same, x2 divided by 2. Y value is 5 is equal to y1 is minus 7, plus y2 remains the same, divided by 2. Multiply the 2 here. Minus 4 is equal to 3 plus x2. Multiply the 2 here. 10 is equal to minus 7 plus y2. Bring the 3 this side. Minus 4 minus 3 gives you minus 7. That's x2. 10 plus 7, that's 17, is y2. Therefore, coordinates of B are -7 and 17. Homework for today is exercise 13, question numbers 2, 6, 9, 11, 18 and 34.